guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to another video. If you're watching me for the very first time, hi, my name is Arpita and I'm a beauty fashion lifestyle content creator, and in today's video we will be reviewing newly launched Swiss Beauty Dip Tint Lip Oil, and this is all over the internet because so many people are talking about this product. So we will be doing exactly that because we have seen that overhyped products are generally not that good. So if you want to know that whether you should buy this product or not, then keep on watching this video till the end. And if you're new to my channel, then please don't forget to subscribe and hit that little bell icon to never miss any update. So without any further ado, let's get started. With the actual product application and the review of the product, let me just take a moment to talk about the brand. So basically Swiss Beauty एक affordable brand है जो कि affordable product बहुत ही अच्छे quality में बनाता है. And even before I was a content creator, I used their products. मैंने Swiss Beauty के products use करके मेरा content creation journey start किया था because they were affordable. And even after 4 years after becoming a content creator, I still use their product. I suggest their products to a lot of the people who ask me for budget friendly good products, and the product that I have with me is their newly launched lip oil. Well, lip oil is a category that has been recently launched to India, and अभी तक बहुत सारे बड़े इंडियन ब्रांड्स हैं जिन्होंने अभी तक लिप ऑयल का कैटेगरी उन्होंने लॉन्च नहीं किया है. सो दिस इज़ अ वेरी कॉम्पिटिटिव मार्केट. मतलब आने वाले 6 महीने से 1 साल तक देयर विल बी अ लॉट ऑफ न्यू लिप ऑयल लॉन्चेस, एंड द लिप ऑयल दैट आई हैव विथ मी इज द स्विस ब्यूटी डिप टिंट लिप ऑयल. नाउ व्हेन इट is saying that it is tinted, that means it has some pigmentation to it जो कि आपके lips पे throughout कुछ time तक stay on करेगा. The product is $2.99 on Amazon, Flipkart and even on Nykaa, as well as the product has over 5 years of shelf life, which is great because 5 साल का shelf life तो मतलब कोई ब्रांड यूजुअली देता नहीं है. इवन इफ इट इज़ लग्जरी ब्रांड, वहाँ पे भी आपको 5 साल का एक्सपायरी डेट क्वालिटी नहीं रहता है. एंड द प्रोडक्ट दैट आई हैव इज इन द शेड नंबर ड्रैगन फ्रूट, एंड द रीजन व्हाई आई ऑप्टेड फॉर दिस शेड बिकॉज ऑनेस्टली आई हैव अ बिट ऑफ अ tinted lips, and whenever I apply any kind of lip tint or lip oils or any of the sort, I try to use a product which covers up my lip pigmentation for sure. So this is one of that. It has some kind of pigmentation to it, so we will try that. Also, this product has 3 ml of product, so you can use it and keep it for a longer period of time. But if this turn out good, I don't think I can keep it for more than 2 months because I love applying lip glosses and lip oil, especially on the month of summer. So we have talked a lot about the product, क्या है क्या नहीं है. Now it's time to try this little buddy out and see whether this product is actually worth your money or not. So I forgot to mention that I ordered this product on Nykaa जो अभी summer sale चल रहा था उस पे, एंड आई गॉट इट अराउंड 249 और 229 ऐसे ही कुछ MRP पे मिला था. दिस इज वॉट द प्रोडक्ट लुक्स लाइक एंड इट्स प्रीटी क्यूट. सो लेट्स जस्ट स्टार्ट विथ हाउ इट स्मेल्स, क्योंकि वेन एवर आई परचेज एनी प्रोडक्ट द फ्रेग्रेंस इज द वन थिंग दैट बॉदर्स मी द मोस्ट, एंड उसी की वजह से आई लूज इंटरेस्ट इन दैट प्रोडक्ट. सो आई जस्ट डोंट वॉन्ट इट टू बी टू मच फ्रेग्रेंट. लेट्स जस्ट सी दैट फर्स्ट. Okay, so it has a very fruity, sweet, floral kind of fragrance. I hope this goes away after some time because if it will be there, it will be very bothering for me. Now let's put it on the back of my hand to see how the color is. So this is what it looks like. And after a while it start changing the color. So basically ये एक pH lip oil है जो कि आपके स्किन के साथ जाके कलर बदल रहा है, because this part of my skin is not that tanned or pigmented. That is why it is not changing the color as pretty fast, but still is, if you can take a closer look, ये धीरे धीरे इसका कलर बदल रहा है. Now it's time to test it on my lips. What I'll be doing is कि मैं लिप्स के ऊपर पोर्शन पे नहीं लगाऊंगी. So I haven't applied product on the upper lip because I will be showing the difference कि कितना ज़्यादा आपको पिंकिशनेस इस प्रोडक्ट से मिलने वाला है. So I will keep it for 2 to 3 minutes and then I'm coming back to you all. It's been 2 minutes and this is the difference. The lower lip is looking very pinkish as compared to the upper lip, and trust me guys, this does not smell that bad. मतलब it does smell good, it has a very floral fragrance, but मैं जितना इसको deep समझ रही थी उतना नहीं है. But as I was smelling it from the wand तो थोड़ा सा obviously ज़्यादा smell आ रहा था, but it was workable. Now let me just apply it to my upper lip and then I'm coming back to you guys. So overall, I really enjoyed the product, how the product actually is, how it looks onto my face. Also, the product is very consistent, like आपके lips को बहुत देर तक hydrated and moisturized रखता है. As well as this product has 4 different variants, like you can choose if there is a strawberry flavor, there is peach, there is kiwi, and this one which is I am using, which is called the dragon fruit. You can choose according to it. Now the reason why I opted for it because I have a pigmented lips and I was not sure कि बाकी तीनों कितना lip pigment cover करेगा. But I hope they will also do, but I am not sure, but this one definitely does. So if you have pigmentation and you never applied a clear gloss, something like that, then you should definitely get your hands on this particular product. And also guys, one more thing is this particular product is far better than a lip gloss, because I am someone who has a very long hair, but I cannot be able to apply lip glosses because थोड़ा सा हवा चलने से ये बाल पूरा मुंह में चिपक जाता है. इस प्रोडक्ट में भी आपको हल्का चिपकेगा, but as this is not a gloss, this is an oil, so it will go off very quickly, and you can apply this product on a windy day as well. So what else you are looking for? Trust me guys, 249, 259, even on 300 rupees, this is the best product. It has a lot of good qualities to it, and this is most importantly very hydrating because that's what it is serving for. So yeah, this was my final verdict on the Swiss Beauty tinted lip oil, and if you want to get your hands on this particular product, then don't forget to go on to my description box. वहाँ पे जाके आपको product का link तो definitely मिल जाएगा. And if you really like this video, then don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel for more such contents like this. So that's it for the video. I'll see you guys definitely on the next one.